Let the Grecian dream of his sacred stream, and sing of the great adoring, that he but weaves from his laurel leaves at the golden gate of morning. But the brook that bounds through old Union's grounds gleams bright as the Delphic water, and not bright as fair as the gods may wear is a dip from our alma mater. Then he is to thee the brave and free old Union smiling o'er us. And for many a day, as thy walls grow grey, may they ring with thy children's